when it comes to what kind of water, you need to use distilled water. Okay. Now there are few symptoms of overwatering and underwatering. So let's start first with the overwatering. If you accidentally water your spider plant too much, the plant will tell you quickly. Your spider plant will show a few symptoms. These symptoms of overwatering are quite simple. The leaves will start to turn brown and die slowly. If you see this happening, stop watering, let the soil dry out, and then water again. The plant should pick up where it left off within a few days. It usually recovers really well. Now, the symptoms of underwatering your spider plant: when you let the soil dry out, make sure the plant isn't days without water. When your spider plant doesn't get enough water, its leaves will start to fade to a lighter color. Normally, the leaves are deep green, but when your plant doesn't get enough hydration, its leaves will get lighter. This makes it very easy to spot if your plants need some water.